Hey travelers, welcome back to the Travel Planner Uncensored, where I help you plan smarter, avoid tourist traps, and travel with confidence. If you're new here, hit the subscribe because I post weekly travel guides that will help you travel like a pro. So let's get straight into it. Are you planning a Dubai trip in 2026 but have no idea where to start? Don't stress, I'm breaking everything down step by step: flights, visa, budget, itinerary, and mistakes to avoid. Let's plan this trip like a pro. Step 1. Best time to visit Dubai. First things first, when should you go? The best time to travel to Dubai is between November and March, when the weather is cooler, perfect for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Avoid July to August unless you're prepared for extreme heat and indoor activities only. Having been there both in summer and winter seasons, I definitely prefer traveling during the winter period. Step 2. Visa requirements. Depending on your passport, you may get visa-free entries for certain countries, paid visa on arrival for most European countries, USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand passport holders, or pre-approved visa, which is usually done through your travel agent or Emirates airline. The cost ranges from $90 per person going up. Step 3. Flights. How to find the cheapest deals. First things first, planning in advance. This is the general rule of thumb, is that the earlier you book, the cheaper your air ticket. And if you're flexible and traveling solo, look for stopovers via airlines like Qatar Airways, Turkish Airlines, Ethiopian Airlines for lower fares. Flight aggregator sites can be used for cheap fares as well. Next, we will talk about accommodation. This is a very important step to take note of, so make sure you're listening carefully. Where you stay matters depending on your traveler type. Firstly, you can stay in downtown Dubai, which is best for first-timers, and it's near the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. Dubai Marina or the JBR is great for beach lovers. Deira or Bird Dubai is good for budget travelers and cultural vibes, and then Business Bay is a good balance of modern stays and access to maintain attractions. Having experienced all these areas, downtown Dubai is ideal but very expensive, followed by Dubai Marina and Business Bay. Our suggested 5-day itinerary for Dubai is as follows. On day 1, you should do the half-day city tour. You get a lay of the land and experience both New Dubai and see the Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall, and also Old Dubai to visit the Dubai Market and the Gold Souk. Day 2, the premium desert safari, where you enjoy dune bashing, camel rides, traditional dinner, as well as belly dancing and a fire act performance. Not all desert camps are the same, but we recommend Rainer Tours or Arabian Adventures for you to have the best Dubai desert safari experience. On day 3, visit the Atlantis Aquaventure Water Park. Enjoy full-day access with over 105 record-breaking slides, attractions, and experiences. Plus, get up close with the resident dolphins at the Atlas Village. This is something you don't want to miss. For the best experience, go there early so you can do as many rides as you can. On day 4, you can do the Dubai Marina Dinner Cruise. Voted one of the 50 coolest neighborhoods in the world, the Dubai Marina is a modern waterfront city. For the dinner cruise, you can book a traditional dhow cruise or opt for the modern yacht experience and enjoy the Dubai Marina skyline at night. On day 5, you can go and visit the Dubai Frame. At 150 meters tall with a bridge connecting the two towers, Dubai Frame has a unique concept to its structure. Resembling a picture frame, Dubai's historic district can be seen to the north, while the south provides views of the modern cityscape. On the same day, you can go and visit the Global Village, a world without borders, a world where more than 90 cultures come together to celebrate wonder. There's also a theme park where entry tickets can be purchased separately. And finally, Dubai Miracle Garden is a colorful garden paradise that opens every winter and is home to over 150 million flowers, featuring incredible floral sculptures and themes that change each year. Other activities to consider in Dubai, if you have time, is going to the top of the Burj Khalifa, visiting the Dubai Aquarium at the Dubai Mall, Ski Dubai at the Emirates Mall, Dubai Zoo, the view at the Palm, where you can see a 360 view of the Palm Jumeirah. In addition, you can go and visit the Museum of the Future, which you need to book in advance in order for you to be able to access, Abu Dhabi Day Tour plus the Ferrari World, Burj Al Arab Tour, La Pearl, lunch or dinner in the sky, and also visit the Dubai parks and resorts, where you can have fun at the various theme parks that are available. Now moving along to the common mistakes you should avoid as a tourist. Number 1, not checking your visa rules. Ensure you check what rules apply based on the passport that you hold. Number 2, booking activities last minute. Prices do go up or you may not find availability. And number 3, ignoring public transport. The metro is very efficient and you can use the Careem app. Number 4, overspending at tourist trap restaurants is something that you should avoid. You can use the Careem app to dialing a delivery and getting food delivered to your hotel room. Number 5, not planning ticketed attractions in advance. Burj Khalifa, Museum of the Future all sell out pretty fast, and we recommend that you make sure that you buy these in advance so that you are not left disappointed. Now finally, let's talk about your budget. Flights depend on the region that you're traveling from, but usually start from $500 going up for economy class. And in terms of accommodation, if you're looking for budget accommodation in the areas we mentioned at the top of the video, you're looking at about $50 per night, excluding tourism dirham tax. This tax needs to be paid at check-in when you arrive at your hotel. In terms of food, you can budget $40 per day for lunch and dinner, depending on where you're going to eat. Remembering that with the itinerary we gave you, 2 of the dinners are already covered in the activities. And in terms of budgeting for activities or excursions, you need about $200 to $300 per person. And finally, when we look at our visa and insurance, it ranges from $50 or $90 going up depending on your country and whether you get your visa on arrival. So, in conclusion, we estimate that for a budget traveler, you would need between $1,000 to about $1,200 give or take for the 5-day itinerary. And for a mid-range traveler, you'd be looking at anywhere upwards of $1,200 for your 5-day stay per person. This is inclusive of flight, accommodation, activities, food, and excursion. Thank you once again for watching this YouTube video all the way to the end. If this breakdown helped you, hit the like button, share with someone planning a trip to Dubai, and subscribe for more destination planning guides worldwide. Our next travel guide will be for Durban, South Africa, so make sure you stay tuned.